Hey everyone and welcome. So today we are going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul and I'm going to kind of show you some new stuff at Dollar Tree. If you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and of course give this video a thumbs up if you like Dollar Tree as much as I do. So okay, I just got back and I ended up driving about 20 minutes to a different one that I've only been to like one time. It's a really great Dollar Tree. It's really like clean and it's big and they had a lot of stuff. So I haven't been to my Dollar Tree in a while, which mine is very small. It still has carpet. Like it's just, I don't want to say it's dirty, but it's kind of, anyways, I try to avoid that one as much as possible. If I'm really like looking for stuff, I'll go there if I know what I need and I just need a few items. But when I want to like really like shop at a Dollar Tree, I'll usually drive a little ways. So I just got back. I actually forgot what I bought because I was just kind of throwing everything in the cart. I spent $23, so that means I got probably 23 items. So let's just get into it. All right, so the first thing I picked up was 2 of these little Hot Wheel tracks. And if you guys don't know, and you're looking at me like I'm crazy, like why did you buy these? People have been making really cute things out of these. I don't know if you guys have seen those little lanterns that people are making. I'll insert a picture, but I think I'm gonna try to make something like that, like a variation of that. Possibly something that I maybe put outside. Here's the thing, you guys. I love doing DIYs, but I am out of space in my house. I don't have anywhere to put anything. So that's why I haven't really been making a whole lot of stuff because I just don't have room for it right now. So I can always put stuff outside, like on our patio and whatnot. So that's what I might do with these. I am not sure. I will think of something to do with these. If you guys have any other ideas besides those lanterns, let me know down in the comments. Okay, this is one other thing. This is kind of random because this is actually something I picked up on a different visit like a few weeks ago. It is this cute little notebook, Squeeze the Day. I thought this was so adorable, so summery, and I always need, it looks like that. I always need a little notebook. This is kind of what I use for my like YouTube planning, my meal planning, my grocery list, everything. So I usually buy one of these and then I just use it till the paper's gone, and I thought that one was really cute. Okay, the next thing we're gonna talk about here is this little, it's just a little container thingy box. I had bought one of these a while ago and I was gonna do a certain craft with it. Well, I never did it. And my daughter lost a tooth the other night and she needed a tooth fairy box. So she went ahead and decorated hers. And my other daughter wanted one. So of course I had to pick up another one so that she could decorate hers too. But these are super cute. They're like, I don't know what they are, like cardboard-ish, kind of like, I don't know. But they're nice and you can like store stuff in there and spray paint it, do whatever you want with it. Okay, these are so cool. I could not even believe, like when I was walking down the aisle, I saw them and I was like, oh, that's cool. And then I was like, wait a minute, those are $1. I'm at the Dollar Tree. They're like little imitation caboodles. How stinking cute are these? So I got 2 of them because my one daughter loves blue and my other one loves pink. Oh, how'd that sticker get back there? That does not belong there. Oh no, that means another one is missing their sticker. I could not believe that they had these for $1. They don't have like the little shelving or, you know, like the little things that the regular caboodles have, but they're so cute. These could be like, actually, you could even use these at school. They could be like pencil boxes, but my plan is just to give them to my girls, and they have so much like knick-knacky stuff on their dressers. So I figured they could just kind of put some stuff in these, but for $1, I could not believe that. Oh, picked up some tape because you never know when you're gonna need some tape. My kids are always stealing my tape out of my drawer and then I go to need it and it's gone. So I just got 2 of those. I'll probably hide these so that they can't steal it. And then this is kind of boring, but I needed a new oven mitt. My other one is like in rough shape. So I just got a black oven mitt. I thought this would match my kitchen and yeah, it's kind of boring. Okay, this, I don't even know why I grabbed this. I bought this green tablecloth because sometimes you just need a green screen. Sometimes I'll do like pictures of my daughters and I like to put like a background behind them. And right now I use green poster board and it's a pain in the butt. So I figured this would work out so much easier. I could just tape it, it's super lightweight, and I can get rid of that poster board because that's kind of a pain in the butt. So yeah, I bought this for a green screen. And then this next thing, it's an expanding document case. I just bought this because my kids come home with so many papers and I don't know what to do with them. So my plan is just to kind of put them in here, and after, like, maybe I'll go like every week. We'll stuff all of our papers in here, and then at the end of the week, we'll go through and say, what do you absolutely want to keep? You know, if it's cute artwork, we'll keep that. But if it's other stuff that we don't need, then we'll throw it away. But I just thought this would be nice just for a spot for the papers so that it's not like cluttering up my dining room table. Oh yeah, so I found these. These are so cute. LOL. My girls love LOL, and I always just have like a box of Kleenex in their room. So I thought these were really cute. These are perfect little kid Kleenexes, and these would be good for like to send to school. I know the teachers a lot of times ask for a box of Kleenex, and this might be fun for the kids to see, you know, rather than a boring old box of Kleenex. Okay, so this next one, I thought this was really cute. It's just a placemat, Live, Love, Eat. And it's got like that wood, like it looks like wood, you know, which I love. So I thought about trying to make a sign somehow. I don't know, like maybe do like a Jenga block frame or something like that. Or I don't know. Doing something with it. I just thought that was really cute and it would go really good in my kitchen because we have lots of grays and this whitey color. So I thought that was cute. So I bought 3 of these. They're 3 packs, and I think they're just like little, called storage containers. And I wonder if they hook together. I'm definitely gonna spray paint them, but my plan is to put them in a drawer, like organize some drawers. Oh yeah, they do hook together. Yeah, how cute is that? They totally hook together. Cool. So yeah, you can hook these all together and then organize drawers. I have a junk drawer here in the kitchen that I want to organize, so I think I'm gonna use these. Probably spray paint them white and then organize that drawer. So yeah, I got 3 sets. So they each come with 3. That's a great deal for $1. Okay, the next couple things I got this beautiful blue Sharpie. They had a random little basket of Sharpies. And they had like, I don't even know if they had black, but they're all like really random colors. So I just thought that that would be a really pretty Sharpie because I'm always using them. I normally use black ones, but I thought that one was really pretty. And now this, a cleansing facial scrubber. You're supposed to, replace every 30 days. Wet face with warm water, remove and wet sponge. Add your favorite cleanser or scrub. Reinsert sponge and squeeze scrubber to produce a lather. I don't know about this, guys. Should we look at it? Okay, this is weird. So, do you take the sponge out? So wait a minute. Oh, okay, so you take this out? Okay, so this little spongy thing is inside of here. So this is what this looks like. And it's got holes right here. So you're supposed to get this wet, add your favorite cleanser or scrub. Okay, so you put your cleanser on here and then you put it back in. Okay, yeah, so that wasn't too hard. And then I guess like the lather from the sponge is going to come out here and you just kind of scrub your face with it, or not, you know, scrub. It's like a silicone material. So I used to have one of those brushes, you know, like a Clarisonic brush, and it died and I loved that thing. So I figured I would try this. Okay. This one's kind of boring, craft sticks. You never know when you're gonna need some craft sticks. So I just wanted to get a thing of these. You get 60 of them for $1. That's a great deal. And I bought some little pencil sharpeners for my daughters for school because one of my daughters already lost hers. So, and these actually work really, really good. You get 6 of them, so thought that was a good deal. And then this cute little tin, give thanks. I don't know what exactly I'm gonna do with it. Maybe I will put, this actually might go outside too. I might put this outside at fall time and maybe put some fall flowers in it or something, but I thought that was really cute. They have a ton of cute fall stuff right now and Halloween stuff. I don't need any Halloween stuff, but they had some really cute things. Now, this is the last, is this it? This is the last thing, and I'm very, very curious about this. Found this at Dollar Tree, Aroma diffuser. What? For $1? Water-free diffusing, battery-powered, portable. Sounds too good to be true. I think all it is you put the oil on one of these little pads, and then this must have like a little fan in it or something, and then it just kind of like lets the smell out. So we're gonna try it. I don't even know how you, oh, okay. So this bottom part comes out. So I thought this would be cool just to put like in my husband's little, or in our half bath, like, you know, when people are over, just have something little in there to, I don't know, it'll smell good. So, all right, I'm gonna go put some batteries in this and put some oil in here, and then I'll be back and we'll see what happens. Okay, so now I put some oil on the little pad. I don't know if you can see it. And then you just twist it and hit the little button. Do you hear it? It's definitely coming out. Huh, that's pretty cool. For $1, I was actually really surprised by this. So I'm gonna go put it in my husband's bathroom and see what happens. Like, it's not that noisy, and see what happens. Like, see if when I walk in there, if I can smell it. That's pretty cool. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy Dollar Tree videos because I love them. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you all soon. Bye.